A man suspected in a series of killings in suburban New York is expected to appear in court today. Rex Heuermann is charged with the murders of 3 women. Their bodies were found on Long Island's Gilgo Beach more than a decade ago. Heuermann was arrested last month. He has pleaded not guilty. As Errol Barnett reports, there are still many unanswered questions in this case.
59-year-old Rex Heuermann remains in custody as investigators search for answers, trying to figure out the scope of his alleged crimes.
This is an individual who's very much living a dual life, a life that he presents to the public and then a life that he keeps hidden from the public.
48 Hours spoke with the lead prosecutor in the case, Suffolk County District Attorney Ray Tierney, after investigators spent days scouring Heuermann's Long Island property. The 12-day search involved cadaver dogs, ground-penetrating radar, and heavy equipment. Tierney says they discovered a walk-in vault in the basement and recovered hundreds of weapons, in addition to undisclosed evidence still under review.
He was a duck hunter, and he was also a target shooter, and obviously he owned and possessed a great number of guns.
Rex Heuermann, I'm an architect, I'm an architectural consultant, I'm a troubleshooter.
Rex, did you do it?
The architect and father of 2 was arrested July 13th. Investigators say they've used DNA and data from burner phones to link Heuermann to the murders of 3 women whose bodies were found on Gilgo Beach back in 2010. They say he's also the prime suspect in the killing of a 4th woman.
These individuals, they believe that they are not going to get caught.
The investigation into Heuermann also continues in Las Vegas, where police are reviewing unsolved cases to see if there's any connection. But under New York state law, Heuermann's DNA cannot be entered into the national database unless he's convicted.
We know that once somebody becomes a serial killer, that takes practice. And practice means there had to be other murders that occurred where they're learning their trade. They're learning how to become serial killers.
Now, according to Suffolk County Sheriff's Office, Heuermann is on suicide watch and has been ever since he was placed in jail. And his wife of 2 decades has now filed for divorce. They have 2 adult children. She is asking for privacy, both for the family and for their neighbors. Now, CBS News has reached out to Heuermann's attorney for any information, Nate, but we have not yet heard back.
One of the biggest stories here in the Northeast. Errol, thank you.